Here we are looking at the Lincoln, checking it out. Got that going on, got the mileage. Got the motor, got a brand new belt. Got the tires are looking good, rated good. Got a little bit of stuff right there, no big deal. A little bit of stuff right there, but for the money it's a good buy. It's a good money maker. You make your money back quick. Got a little bit of stuff right there. Needs a little TLC. Yep. Check up on in here. Got the mileage. Look back in there, you can see the car. It's got a TV right in there. Yeah. Got a little phone for the back. Got the seat in here. It's looking good. Got a little bit of TLC we might need there. But yep, it's got all the lights going. It's a nice looking ride. Stereo's working. We got that going on. Michelle McCormick, Kyle, me. Got that. Got AC, stereo. Got cool features. Carpet's in good shape. I wish I could tell somebody. Got the lights. Got it going on. Check it out. Got a brand new belt on there, squeaking a little bit, but it's because we just started it up. Otherwise everything's looking good. Got a 200 amp alternator, it's got dual alternator, it's got nice batteries, and thing's a good runner, making some money. Pass the inspection. Check it out, give us a call. Dad's Magic Bus.